Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove Google account from Android phone. Almost everything you do on Android revolves around having your Google account always signed in. You lose access to every Google app, service, and feature for that account when you remove it from your device, unless you added another Google account. Your messages, emails from Gmail, Google One Cloud backups, and Google Play Store access are a thing of the past until you sign back in. Those are a few examples. You also lose the ability to use other Google services such as Nearby Share, Google Pay, and Find My Device. Before removing a Google account, save your messages, contacts, and anything else you want to a separate location for safekeeping. Samsung uses a different settings app on its Galaxy phones. Here's a step-by-step guide to removing a Google account on a Samsung mobile phone. First, go to Settings on your Samsung phone. Scroll to Accounts and Backup. Tap Manage Accounts. You can check your Google, Samsung, Outlook, Amazon, WhatsApp, and other social media accounts. Select the Google account you want to remove, and then tap Remove Account. Select the same from the bottom. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.